I mean, we was really counting all that money like that last night, B. I'll never do that shit again. I got paper cuts on my shit when I fell asleep, dawg. I had a dream I was $100 bill. Some white chick named Sarah threw me from the gas station and shells was still crispy. Brinks had dropped me off round 12, she gripped me. Quickly stuck me in her wallet and bailed. Evidently, she forgot to zip a Chanel, cause something lift me, slipped me right from under her nails. Sweet and gently, stuck me in their pocket and bailed. Opened up the wallet down the block and over the smell that had hit me. A smoke about the name of Jamel, his teeth was missing. Fingertips was dirty as hell and smelled pissy. Spent me on some crack in the cell, was from his 15. Yeah, Osuna really didn't care long as he spent me. Held me up to see was I real, a counterfeit cream. Then folded me back on a stack of bread he made from dipping. Had to be at least 10 grand up in his kid jeans. Wrapped inside a 10 rubber band next to a 16. Shorty, shoot that money. Shorty, shoot that money. Shorty, I got the dice, nigga. Shorty, shoot that money. You out here doing all that hustle. Move some of that money, shorty. I ended up in the palms of another nigga that was hustling crack. Who shorty lost me to later on that day shooting craps. Who tricked me on a prostitute who gave me straight to a Mac. That spent me on a Prada suit to match the paint on his lap. The cash register was the county, the drawer was the deck. The sales was the slots where you stick the currency at. They take the 50s and the big faces and lockers and max. The safe to penitentiary, some leave and never come back. All the coins was locked up for tax. The judges, that little screen that say how much you owe and what you get back. The drawer popped open, the cashier was holding her breath. Withdrew me, then she smooth and stuck me in the bra with a breast. Grabbed the birthday card from under the desk. Before she left, stuck me in it, hit the post office and mailed it express to some address her little daughter was at. Who stuck me in a piggy bank and uncle stole before she woke from a nap. He banged the bank against the floor, broke open the latch. Spilt $1 worth of pennies, 6 quarters at max. A coupon for Mickey D's for a free Big Mac. He saw me snatch, leave the scene and never looked back. Took me straight to the strip club, walked to the back, pulled out a rack, naked bras dancing all on his lap. Bending over, posing for the nigga, making it clap. He stuck me in between some booty cheeks and gave her a slap. Then he robbed her when she got off work for a stack. Told her show her hands, pistol ripped the bra with his Mac. Took the dough and ran, I was in the bundle he snatched. But he dropped me trying to hop the picket fence in the back. The wind blew me in the traffic, suddenly I was smacked by the grill of a Mack truck covered with dead insects. And then I fainted, everything went black. I woke up with dice rolling on my head, niggas begging for bets. Heard a nigga say you scared, then the nigga said bet. He rolled a 7 on my head, then suddenly I was snatched. Turned around to count the bread that he had made shooting crap. But the nigga pulled the pistol out and shot him dead in his back. You ain't from round here, nigga, run me back that scratch. That's what he told him as he bent down and took everything back. Damn, an hour later we was back at his flat. He tooting coke off the table with me high as a jet. If only Sarah would've zipped the purse back when she withdrew me from the gas station, bet I wouldn't be where I'm at. Friends stabbing best friends in the back. Niggas robbing each other, committing felonies, hustling crack. For the love of me, to struggle with that. Hope the Department of Treasury get their hands on me and burn me to death. That'd be lovely, not cause I'm upset, but because that'd be one less nigga getting robbed over me cashing a check. He done tootin', now he starting to sweat. He cracked the 3rd floor window, took off his shirt and turned the fan on max. All the cash blew out the window, the coke was a mess. Watching 20s, 50s and 10s blow, as well as myself. As I was falling with the wind blower, open and stretched, and blew right back in the same purse it all started at.